So first, let's take a look at where the where the information about COM object lives. Okay, so let's go to registry editor. So as I told you, HKey classes root contains a lot of information, but one of the keys is CLS ID or class ID. Okay, and it holds a lot of keys. And if you take one of them as an example, so this one is called CLS ID record info. All right. And if you go to incproc server 32 key, you will see there is a path to a DLL. Okay. So in other words, it means that when some application calls that CLS ID or GUID, in other words, that's that number, SCM will go to hclasses root and to that key, and it will search for that information. Okay, and here, and it will find that this specific COM server is implemented as this DLL, and it will load that DLL into the requesting process. Now let's go back to, and I also told you that classes root, HKey classes root is composed of two hives. So information comes from current user and local machine. So if you go to current user, software, and classes, and CLS ID, then here you can find a very short list of GUIDs, right? So as an example, this one is for the OneDrive, and it's in proc server, which is running as in process or a DLL. In this case, we have a local server instead of in proc server, and this actually server is at exe, not a DLL, right? So let's take a look at the last one, which was local machine, and it's in the same location. So CLS ID, and local machine actually holds almost all the information about COM objects in Windows. So you can see it's a lot of COM objects here. So if you go up and open the first one, so this one is CLS ID record info and the very same DLL. So basically, if an application calls for that GUID, SCM will actually load the information from the local machine registry hive. So that's where the information about COM objects lives in registry. Now let's do COM hijacking.